This Father Jerry Orwell SVD from San Francisco, sharing with you some reflections for this Sunday. You know, I have a friend here. His name is Alfred Rapisura. Ang sabi niya sa akin, the first time he was in America, he was scared, he didn't want to violate any laws, he was shy to people. And sometimes there are people who greet him, hey man, what's up? And when they tell him that, hey man, what's up? And you know what he does? He looks up. Oh, yeah. Akala niya question. What's up, man? So again, there's a tree, there's a bird. There was no real encounter because he did not understand or he was afraid or whatever. Alam po nyo, today the gospel is about Jesus and the Samaritan woman. They experience a real encounter. What started as very rough and, it was not easy, slowly nag-open up and they became not strangers. In the end, the Samaritan woman was converted. Ito po sigurong magandang i-check natin. Our encounters with each other. Are they meaningful or are they shallow? Wala lang. Insignificant. So, no encounter moments. Why? Well, the first reason is people build walls instead of bridges. There's some people who shut off other people. A wall shuts out other people. A cave brings in other people. And bridge connects people. Bridges connect people. So siguro yan ang isang magandang pag-isipan po natin. Am I a wall or am I a bridge? Am I a cave? And the reason why madalas din walang true encounters because of fear. We are afraid. We don't want to be vulnerable. So, distansya lang, safety lang, and I really don't get involved. I don't really let go. There are two reasons why we also do not have true encounters. One is fear. Ang pangalawa naman po ay pride. Bakit? Sino ba siya? I don't want encounter. Those are encounters. I'm better, I'm brighter, I'm holier, I'm more entitled. It's a waste of time. So why should I dialogue with those who are lesser than me? Mga ganun eh. Hiling natin entitlement. Sabi nga ng isa yung dialogue mahirap yan kasi nadaya ka na, baka malugi ka pa. Safety. So, my suggestion is, let's continue to have meaningful encounters. First of all, encounter with God. And how does this happen? How does our encounter with people happen? Well, listen. Listen. L is you listen. There's no real encounter if you keep talking. Hindi ka nakikinig. You're just talking. Look at your family. Do they really encounter you as a person? Wala, ang dami kang sermon, ang dami kang mga rules, ang dami kang negative criticism. So, listen. In the same way, prayer, when you pray, you listen. Marami kasi, when they pray, they don't encounter God because as soon as they pray, they dictate to God. They give their orders to God. Listening is a two-way. Listen, talk, listen. Two-way traffic. Number two is interest. When you talk to people, you are interested in them. Marami sa atin si plastic eh. O kumusta ka pero hindi ka man na nakatingin sa kanya. Right away, this guy is not interested. Right. there's no real connection, ramdam ng mga tao yan. They can feel you're really interested. As is sincerity. If you encounter people, you want to encounter them, meet them, you must be sincere. Baka naman, you are, nakipagkilala ka lang because pang business, pang functions, transactional, people can sense that. You're not really sincere. You're not honest, plastic. T, L-I-S-T, T is take time. You really have to take time. Take time. Take time for them. Hindi pwede mong madaliin. Take time for God. Take time for others. Just be there. And E is exchange. Give and take po. You listen and that's it. You exchange a beautiful exchange of mind and heart, not just an exchange of words through your mind and heart. But also, you listen not to counter answer right away. No, listen with respect, understanding, and compassion. And finally, N, natural. Be spontaneous. Let the Spirit lead you. Then you'll have a beautiful encounter. In other words, hindi put on, hindi makeup, hindi po pakita lang. Not being impressive, but expressive. So yun po ang suggestion ko po, that like the Samaritan woman, we also may be led to an encounter with God, and we go for conversion, we become better person. So my prayer po mga kapatid is, Lord, help us to be open to really encounter you and to really encounter our brothers and sisters, starting in our own family. Na sana ang aming samahan po it will lead to something beautiful, meaningful, hindi lang mababaw, hindi lang po. Wala lang. Praying for all of you, beautiful, meaningful encounters with the Lord, with people around. And God bless you all. And Mama Mary loves you. Father Jerry Orbos is reading from San Francisco. Amen. And amen.